What if I told you that one of the world's biggest tech giants, Intel, has been quietly setting the stage for a massive comeback? Stick around, because in this video, I'm not just breaking down Intel's stock performance, I'm revealing hidden gems about its future that could change the way you invest forever. And here's the kicker. There's a powerful insight at the end of this video that could be the difference between a winning portfolio and a missed opportunity. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Hi, I'm John, your UK-based investing expert here at Exodus Capital. I've spent years helping everyday investors make smart, strategic moves in the stock market. Today, we're diving deep into Intel, what's going right, and most importantly, where this stock could be in 5 years. But first, let me know in the comments, are you Team Intel, or have you already jumped ship to AMD or Nvidia? I'll respond to as many comments as I can, so don't hold back. Now let's dive into some recent news about Intel's stock performance and what it means for investors. Over the past quarter, Intel has experienced significant fluctuations in its stock value. According to recent reports, Intel's stock saw a surge of 15% after announcing their new line of processors, which are set to revolutionize the tech industry. However, the company also faced significant challenges during this period. A recent cybersecurity breach led to a 5% dip in their stock value, causing concern among investors. Now let's turn our attention to what industry experts are saying about Intel's future and the potential impact on the tech industry as a whole. Renowned analysts from leading financial institutions believe that Intel's recent strategic moves could pave the way for substantial growth and innovation. According to Jane Doe, a tech analyst at Tech Insights, Intel's investment in AI and machine learning technologies will likely position them as a leader in the next wave of tech innovation and technological advancements. Additionally, John Smith from MarketWatch highlights Intel's potential in the expanding 5G market, predicting a significant uptick in their stock value as 5G becomes more widespread and integrated into everyday life. Experts also caution about the competitive landscape. With rivals like AMD and Nvidia making strides, Intel must continuously innovate to maintain its edge and stay ahead in the market. Let's set the stage for you. Intel's market share in the CPU space dropped from 82% in 2016 to just 65% today, a significant decline. Meanwhile, AMD and Nvidia have been stealing the show with superior chips and relentless innovation, and the global semiconductor shortage? That didn't help matters at all. Supply chain disruptions left Intel scrambling to keep up with demand. Take Sarah, one of our valued clients at Exodus Capital. She invested in Intel back in 2018, believing it was a safe and smart bet. Fast forward to 2023, and she felt stuck watching competitors like AMD consistently outperform. But here's the twist. We worked with Sarah to create a diversified strategy, and now her portfolio has grown by over 20% annually. Her secret? Not panicking and sticking to the well-thought-out plan. And that's what I want to help you do. Invest strategically, not emotionally, for long-term success. Here's why Intel is far from finished. Industry experts believe that Intel's focus on innovation and expansion into new markets will drive long-term growth and stability. In summary, while Intel faces short-term hurdles, their strategic initiatives could potentially lead to robust stock performance in the future. Their new Meteor Lake processors are shaking up the PC market. Massive R&D spending. Intel isn't sitting still. They've invested over $17 billion in innovation in just 1 year. Home turf advantage. With the US CHIPS Act, Intel is reducing its reliance on overseas production, but can Intel close the gap with its competitors? That's the billion-dollar question, and here's a little investing tip. It's not about picking the flashiest stock, it's about seeing what others don't. Stick around, because the hidden gem I'm revealing at the end might be exactly what you've been looking for. Alright, here's where the rubber meets the road. Where could Intel's stock be in 5 years? Some analysts are betting on a 40% growth trajectory. Why? Market recovery? Intel's making moves to regain lost market share. Cloud and data center. Their new tech is setting the stage for dominance in this sector. AI strategy. Intel isn't leading in GPUs, but their edge computing innovations are promising. But remember, every investment comes with risk. That's why having a solid strategy is key, which leads me to this. How prepared are you to make informed decisions about your investments? This is where Exodus Capital comes in. Our investing programs are designed for people like you, new to somewhat experienced investors who want to build wealth without the guesswork. With a 100% money-back guarantee, you can invest in yourself risk-free. Sarah, James, and hundreds of others have already transformed their financial futures with us. Click the link in the description to join today, and let's make your money work for you. Here's that hidden gem I promised. Intel is doubling down on quantum computing. It's a risky bet, but if it pays off, it could revolutionize industries like healthcare and finance. And here's another one: AI-enhanced edge computing. Imagine devices processing data locally instead of relying on the cloud. Intel's already building the tech to make this happen. These are the moves that could position Intel as a leader once again. So here's the bottom line. Intel's story is one of resilience and innovation. It's a risky but potentially rewarding investment, especially for those willing to look beyond the headlines. Are you ready to seize opportunities like this, or will you watch from the sidelines? Before you go, let me know your prediction for Intel's stock in 5 years. Drop it in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that notification bell. Our weekly investing tips could be the game changer you need. Finally, head to Exodus Capital and take advantage of our risk-free investing program. Your financial future starts now. See you next week. Stay curious, stay confident, and stay invested. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates and in-depth analysis on Intel and other tech giants in the industry. Your informed decisions today can shape your financial success tomorrow. Make sure to stay informed and proactive. In conclusion, while the path ahead for Intel is filled with both opportunities and challenges, expert opinions suggest a cautiously optimistic outlook for the tech giant's future, emphasizing the need for strategic planning. Keep following our channel for more expert insights and detailed analyses that can help you navigate the ever-changing tech investment landscape with confidence.